Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to make origami kitty in a heart. To create this model, I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and keeping the white side on the top, I'll be folding the paper into half. Now bring two sides to the center crease. This is called as cupboard base. Turn the model and open the flap and bring the crease line to the center crease. And make a new crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now fold these two corners into triangles like this, then open it. Then turn the model. This was just a pre-creasing. Now you have to flatten this triangle like this. On the top, fold the triangle down as shown. This is again a pre-creasing. Now open the flap and flatten it as shown. Fold down the triangle like this to the sidewards. Then fold the model into half. By aligning these 4 points. It will look like this in the back side. Now on the bottom, again bring the sides to the center crease to create a pre-creasing. Then open the flaps and do the inside reverse fold. Now fold down the triangles to create the face shape and create the ears of the kitty. And fold down this small white triangle. Now in the front it will look like this. You can draw the features. Fold down these two corners to create the heart shape. Origami Hello Kitty in a heart is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.